Okay, let's say that we know that there are 1,000 microbes per square centimeter spread out over a floor. How many is that per square inch? Well, we can easily calculate that. If we know that an inch is 2.54 centimeters, then we just do what we saw over here and calculate the area. 1 square inch is about 6.5 square centimeters, and I'm not going to review that calculation. It's a very simple calculation. But to better understand what this forpling proportionality or what this forpling idea is worth and how it relates to a lot of things that are very important, we sketch a graph of a forpling graph in the usual manner and label it microbes versus side length. Now we know there are 100 microbes per square centimeter, so we put 1 centimeter down here someplace on the graph. Okay, and then knowing an inch is 2.54 centimeters, we're going to locate the inch accordingly. So let's just put the centimeter, 1 centimeter side length here, and then 2.54 of those. Well, let's see, here's 1, here's 2, here's another half. I'm going to say that's about 2.54 centimeters. So that at 1 centimeter, of course, we know that that's going to correspond to 1,000 microbes. And 2.54 centimeters will then correspond to whatever number would relate to this. Now, if I just do this, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This seems to be about 5,000. So we get approximately 5,000 microbes per square inch. Now that's with a hand-drawn graph with all its little errors, especially the graph being drawn up there toward the corner with me looking at it from this angle. You can probably see flaws in the graph where this is estimated a little low, or this one, and actually they both look like they're estimated a little low. But we can see that if you got, for example, if you did your conversion wrong and divided by 2.54 or 2.54 squared, or just used the 2.54 as your conversion, in other words, assuming they're 2.54 square centimeters in a square inch, you would get like 2,500 microbes instead of 2.54 squared square centimeters in a square inch, and so you would be wrong. Okay, this is protection against that error. You can see that the answer is going to be closer to 5,000 than it is to 2,500, and you're going to see that the number grows not linearly with respect to the number of centimeters, but in a forpling manner with a number of square centimeters. So that the correct answer, which is of course about 6,500, is again much closer to this than what you would get if you used bad proportionality and just said, well, it's 2.54 for 1 centimeter and multiply that by the 1,000. Okay? So I make the statement that the graph protects and also invokes deeper insight into how areas grow.